Hey guys, just doing a quick video. I'm watching a video on YouTube actually. Let me show you this. I believe this is correct. I completely agree with this guy. Motorcycle V.E.D should be free, no matter what you ride. Let me show you it real quick. Make all motorcycles V.E.D exempt. Government's own logic proves it. And then he's written to his local MP to basically ask, why am I paying tax on my motorbike? I mean, he's got a bloody point. He's got a bloody point. And if I can find the link, I'll put it in this video in the description so you can watch along. But like he says, why are you charging motorbikes £120 a year to ride around on the roads? One, there's so many potholes on the bloody road, the road is no longer fit enough for my motorbike. Fact. And if you're charging £120 for a motorbike, please tell me why a 1.6 litre diesel is £20 a year. It makes no bloody sense. It makes no bloody sense, honestly. Oh, £20 a year. I thought you were supposed to be getting diesels off the road. What the hell? What the hell? I tell you what it is. Motorbikes are set a certain way that, whether it's one person or two people on one motorbike, at least they're not taking up the room of a 4-ton car driving down the bloody road. What the hell? I mean, if anything, now that the warmer weather's getting here, more and more people out there should get their backsides onto two wheels and go for a ride. Trust me, you really enjoy it. You really enjoy it.